let's quickly give you the formulas for the mean, variance, and standard deviation of a binomial random variable. So that gives you an idea of sort of what can happen if you know the number of trials and the number chance of success on each trial. Okay, so let's suppose we have n, again, independent trials. And let's let P be the probability of success on each trial. And then the expected number of successes, or the mean number of successes, makes sense, is n times P. The variance of the number of successes is n times P times 1 minus P, which is often called Q1 minus P. And the standard deviation of the number of successes is the square root of the variance. Okay. And remember, 95% of the time, basically, we're usually within 2 standard deviations of the mean. So if I toss a coin 100 times, n equals 100, probably success is 0.5. So the mean number of heads, we call a head of success, it's 100 times 0.5, which is 50. On average, you get 50 heads. Now the variance is 100 times P, which is 0.5, times 1 minus 0.5. And that's 50 times 0.5, which is 25. And the standard deviation is the square root of 25, which is 5. So we'd sort of expect 95% of the time between 50 plus or minus 2 times 5, 10 heads, or 40 to 60. And we found out in the last video that was 96% of the time, so things fit pretty well. Okay, in the next video we'll talk about another important discrete random variable, the Poisson random variable.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.